Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to Jeanette Owens Art. Tonight I'm going to do another set of the resin coasters because I'm totally hooked and addicted. And these I'm going to make for my sister tonight, and I asked her what her color scheme was, and she said she really likes blues and grays with a little bit of silver. So I'm going to mix my resin, and I'm going to use the colors Midnight Blue, it's a mica powder. I'm also going to use Cobalt Blue. I'm going to use Sky Blue, and then I'm going to use some Space Gray, and then I also have my silver leafing sheets that I'm going to mix with some resin. So my mica powders are, these are the ones I use right here. I ordered these off of Amazon. I think it was about $22 for 24 colors, which was a great buy. You don't need very much mixed into your resin. And then for my resin, I use East Coast epoxy resin, which I also get off of Amazon. It's a half a gallon of side A and side B. And together for the set, it's about $67 with shipping. And you can make definitely probably 10 to 12 easily sets of coasters, sets of 4 out of that. So I think it's a pretty good buy. I'm gonna go ahead and get my resin all mixed. I'll put on some music, and I hope you follow along. Please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. It gives me a better ranking on YouTube. I'd really appreciate it. And here we go. we are outside in natural light. It is starting to snow. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. And the backs turned out just as lovely.